I'm removing the battery cables on my battery, and I'm showing the proper way to do this. The proper way is to take off the negative battery cable first, and then the positive battery cable last. This is the way you do it. Negative first. Positive last. It's always a good idea to use a rag to cover up your positive to keep it from making contact with the terminal. So when you put them back together, what you do, you put if you have both of them off, you're supposed to put the positive on first. And then I always put the negative on last.